A warm welcome to everyone. My name is Ravindra Kumar Meena. Currently, I am pursuing my Bachelor's of Technology in Mechanical Engineering from National Institute of Technology, Hamipur. Today, I am going to present a summary of text which I have chosen for this particular activity of communication skill. The text is The Life of Pi. The novel was published by the Ian Martel in 2001. The Life of Pi, written by Ian Martel, is a captivating novel that explores the theme of survival, faith, and the power of storytelling. The story begins with an Indian boy named as Pasin Mortal Patel, known as Pi, who survived a shipwreck in an Pacific Ocean and find himself in a lifeboat with a Bengal tiger named as Richard Parker. The novel is structured such a frame story with the adult Pi narrating his tales to writer who is in the search of a story that will make him believe in the God. The Pi's journey is one of the physical and spiritual survival. He faces the challenges of open sea, battling hunger, thirst, and the harsh element. The relationship between the Pi and the Richard Parkers become the central of his survival as he learns to coexist with the tiger on the lifeboat, and the novel explores the thin line between the humanity and the wild as the Pi grapples with his own primal instinct and the tiger's presence. The religion play a significant role in the Pi's life as he participated in Hinduism, Islam, and the Christian simultaneously. He devotes to multiple faiths, become a source of strength during his ordeals at sea. The Pi's religion believe in not only means of survival, but also a way for him to make sense of inaccessible events that unfolds around him. The novels raises profound questions about the nature of faith and the coexistence of the different belief and the role of religion in the face of adversity. As Pai shares his story with the writer, he emphasizes the importance of storytelling as a meaning of survival and a way finding meaning in the mindset of chose. He presented two versions of his journey, one grounded in harsh reality and another infused with the magical realism. The writer the writer is left to decide which version to believe and highlighting and subjective nature of the truth and the power of narrative. The Life of Pi is and the rich and a exotic novels that invites readers to contemplate and complexities of the human nature, the the reliances of the human spirit and the role of faith in the face of life challenges. It blends adventure, philosophy, spirituality in the narratives that captive imaginations and leaves a last impression on those who embark on Pi's journey. Through its avid storytelling, through provoking themes, the novel and encourages readers to reflect on the deeper aspect of the lives and story will tell to make sense in our existence. And this is the all about the summary of the life of Pi. Thank you.